Good morning, atypical nomads. So today I've been cycling since 6 in the morning. So I woke up about 4:30. It had to be super discreet because I was sleeping inside this very weird but beautiful architecture. So today is quite chilly because the sun really hasn't come out yet, even though it's now about 7 o'clock. Let me just quickly check. No, 6:46 still. And it's just been foggy. It's nice because when you're exercising, it's nice to have a cool temperature. As I was cycling along this Donau trail, I saw this signpost. It looks interesting from the get-go. What's the best way to get around this place? Anyway, it doesn't matter. There's some exercise area and some little climbing area for kids. This place must be nice during the day, just having a dip in there, have a little swim. If I was here during midday, I would definitely stop here for a swim. It looks pretty cool. I think that's the wakeboarding, when you're sort of standing on a board and then there's a little boat that kind of drags you up to a certain point and then you jump over these ramps. That is so picturesque. Very nice skate park. It's so cool that they have this. They have swimming pool, they have wakeboarding, they have exercise area, they have climbing area. So I'm just gonna check out this one. Oh, come on, don't go away. So pretty. And the mist as well, so nice. So relaxing. Definitely for kids, but you can easily do a traverse here, like just go around it. Yeah, so cool. And they have a bit of overhang as well. Maybe it's not really for kids, is it? I don't know. It's a little bit high for kids, for some kids, but it's so nice that they provided this. It's actually pretty hard. Or I'm just out of shape. Okay, I think I'm out of shape. And also I'm not wearing the right gears. I'm wearing gloves and this. Excuses. It's so nice that they have all these amenities and it seems like it's free. Obviously all those wakeboarding up, you probably have to pay for those, but still there's plenty of things you can do here for free. You can just like swim around, have a rest, read a book, do some exercise. This is what a town should be. You have to provide things to your community where they could be active. Obviously if you're active, people are active, they're much better in mood, they're more productive, psychologically, they're less stressed. So that's my destination for today, Passau. I want to get close to Munich as possible. It's now Monday. I still need to message Jonathan, my friend, because I'll be staying at his for 2 nights from tomorrow. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be in Munich. Landscheid. These houses are nuts. Computer keyboards and dashboards, motherboards, but this one's more interesting. A house just beneath this massive boulder. It's another hydro station to create sustainable energy. That's pretty cool. So if you want it automated, you just press the green. If you want to speak to a person, the captain, it would be the orange button. I'm right here. If I call a ferry, I can either go here or here. And I think that's because the pathway here is through the woods, and it doesn't seem to be a great walkway or cycle path. I think that's what it's saying. That's why also there's a marking here that says fare rad, end of Radweg, which means end of cycleway. But looking at my GPS, it looks like there's a pathway, so I'm gonna try that. I mean, if they tell me off, then I'm just gonna go back here and ask for a ferry. But otherwise, I'll see, because it's all connected. I'm just not sure the quality of the road though. It might be quite rough. I can see there's more cyclists there. It might be a beautiful place though, I have to say. But you know what? I've already decided to take the northern side of Austria, so I'll just do that. Potentially, the only thing that's gonna stop me from trekking this way is if the road is quite treacherous. If it's just a simple walkway, then that's okay. Now saying that, no way. Okay, there is no way for me to go there. Okay, that's definitely a pathway, not for bicycle. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to call the ferry. I don't know how early it's gonna be the ferry though. Okay, I see warning signs all over the place. Looks like a cool rocks over there. Looks like a climbing spot. It might be a climbing spot actually. Before I call the thing, let me just check it out. Okay, so it's a Kletten thing. Climbing allowed, it says. Amazing. Oh, okay. Climbing allowed. Beautiful. Ah, it's a shame I can't. There's no way I can pull my bicycle up here. So I'm gonna have to go to the other side. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Ah, climbing. I wish I would have a climbing partner. Actually it's a little bit wet. But it's quite adventurous. It's nice seeing it here. Oh, another one. Oh my god, the beautiful rocks. Beautiful rocks. And that's probably just one of the sectors. But anyway, I'm not gonna go all the way. I was planning to do a lot more kilometers today, but it doesn't seem likely now. So I'm gonna try the automated one. Untermol. Station 2. Hello, guten Morgen. I need a boat from Brensberg to Untermol. I wonder if that's the boat. I followed the instructions very carefully on this, and then there's a guy who talked, and I don't know what he was talking about. And then I tried the orange one, and again the same person was talking, and I believe he might have been a captain. I don't know if he's on the move though, because if he's on the move, then possibly there's no proper signal. But if he's just stationary on one of the docks, right, on one of the ferry station, then you should be able to kind of pick up quite easily. But then again, he wasn't speaking in English, obviously. I'm in Austria. But then when I was trying to speak in English, he should have responded, I think, in English too, because with this type of network, cycling network, it's quite international. So, you know. Anyway, I'm not trying to bash how things work there, but I just thought it would be better. Okay, I see a little boat that just moved to Kaiserhof. I'll see where it goes after that. I'll just wait here for a bit and see if he's gonna come back that way or here. Because if he comes back this way, then he must have picked up my instructions. Let's see. It'll be interesting. Yeah, otherwise, I will have to go back there, all over there. Very far away, a few kilometers, and just to get to the other side of it. Which is quite nuts. Amazing. The boat's coming. Ha! It's too small, but it's right there. It's coming over here. Amazing. be best to separate this actually. Guten Morgen. How are you? Good morning. How much? 6 euro. Okay. Thank you. Dankeschön.
Sie auf dieser Seite bleiben oder auf der anderen?
Cycle Untermüll.
Untermüll.
Like R1 Radweg
Ja.
to
Passau.
Passau.
Passau ist besser auf dieser Seite fahren.
Better.
Dann keine Fähre mehr, dann kann man durchfahren.
Kaiserhof is
Yeah.
good. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Thank you. Dankeschön. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Kaiserhof, let's go. Oh, hello. That's amazing. My GPS just told me there's gonna be like this for 14 kilometers right next to the Danube river. So beautiful. Unfortunately my battery is dying again, so I can't really capture everything, but you could see what sort of environment I'd be expecting throughout this journey. So yeah, I'm just gonna like crank it, yeah, because I want to make some distance today, and I'm already delayed a little bit because I have taken the boat, even though it's really fun. It's quite an experience. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Nice bike. Beautiful bike. Guten Morgen. Oh, you should greet me back. Sound polite swines. Can I take a selfie with you guys? Maybe if I have a partner in the future, that would be
Yeah.
My GPS is drunk. The river is on the left hand side, whereas in reality it's on the right hand side. What's going on? Nita and Marco, guys from New Zealand. And Nita actually grew up in the Philippines, in Davao. Cool couple. They're in tandem. Slogan! Oh my god. I heard this is a very beautiful valley. It is indeed. It's not even sunny. It's beautiful. Someone actually told me about this town. This is amazing. Oh my god. My goodness. This is so cool. It's like Inception. I guess this is Germany? Oh, Deutschland.
Yeah.
This is Germany? Like here? Oh my god. I didn't know. I was gonna carry on. I was like, oh, this looks nice.
In
Wow.
one day Austria, Germany.
Yeah, yeah.
One day in
Amazing. Preistat Bayern. Thanks for letting me know. Bye bye. Have a good day. So I was wondering where I was gonna cross Austria and Germany. So this is it. Deutschland and Österreich.